I know. It doesn't make any sense. That's why I trusted.
Don't you do that. Don't you say your goodbyes. Not yet. Do you understand me? Please promise me that you'll survive.